We're going to do some math together, okay? So earlier this week, we talked about adding. Remember, another word for adding is joining, okay? And we learned that that means I have some and then some more, and I want to know how many I have in all. But some of our math stories have not been adding things together. Some of our math things have been something goes away, okay? Like I had some cookies, and then some of them went away. I had 10 cookies and I ate 2 cookies and I only have some left, okay? So we call this subtracting. Can you say subtracting? Another word for this is called separating. So put your hands together and take them apart. Separate. So we learned that we can join in math stories, but sometimes we separate in math stories. And today our stories are going to be about taking some away, okay? So I'm going to tell a math story and you help me count, okay? So I've got my butterflies here that I'm going to tell stories about today, and they're going to help me count, okay? All right. So let's see. My story says, I was on the playground, and I saw 4 butterflies. 4 butterflies. Can you help me count these? I'm going to put them up. 4 butterflies. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. I was on the playground. I saw 4 butterflies, but guess what happened? I looked, and one of the butterflies flew away from the playground. So let's think. Is that joining? I saw 4 butterflies, and 1 butterfly flew away. Is that joining, or is that separating? Did something go away? Yeah, that's separating. Something went away. So I don't need to bring some more. I need to take some away. How many butterflies flew away? 1 butterfly. So look, I'm going to take 1 butterfly and I'm going to put it away. How many butterflies do I have left? 3 butterflies. That's right. So let's think. How many butterflies did I start with? Remember? Because I'm going to write a number sentence. I had 4 butterflies, so I'm going to write that. I'm going to write the number 4 because that's what I started with. I remember earlier this week we talked about joining and we learned about a plus sign. Well, today you're going to talk about the minus sign. A minus sign is just a straight line and it means take away, not adding, taking away. So I saw 4 butterflies, but 1 of them went away. Remember, 1 went away. So I'm going to say minus 1. Minus 1. 1 went away. 4 minus 1 equals, how many butterflies do I have now? 3 butterflies. 3 butterflies are on the playground now. So I write a 3. So let's see if this tells my math story, okay? 4 butterflies were on the playground. 1 butterfly went away, so now I have 3 butterflies. Very good, friends, okay? Let's do another math story about subtracting, okay? Move my butterflies over. Erase my number sentence. Okay, I'm going to tell you another math story. We're going to build it, and we're going to write it in numbers, okay? All right, butterflies. Okay. There were 2 butterflies sitting on a flower, okay? I'm going to show that. 1, 2. 2 butterflies sitting on the flower. I'm going to write that. I'm going to write a 2 because that's what I have, right? So, 2 butterflies were on a flower. Now, 1 butterfly flew off onto another flower. He flew off. So I'm going to take away minus 1 equals, how many do I have left? 1 butterfly left. 1 butterfly left, okay? All right, let's do 1 more together. Okay. All right, let's see. I was sitting on my front porch and all. All right, I was sitting looking out the window and I saw 4 butterflies on my front porch. Will you help me count 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna write that number down. 4. All right, I saw 4 butterflies. Now, 3 butterflies went and flew into the flowers. I have a little pot of flowers, and so 4 of them were flying around, and then 3 of them went and landed in the flowers. So how many am I joining? Did 3 more come, or did 3 go away? You tell me. 3 went away. Okay, so I had 4, so I'm gonna take 1, 2, 3 and take them away. So I'm not gonna say plus 3, I'm gonna say minus 3. So I'm gonna draw a minus. Minus 3 equals, how many butterflies now are flying around? Just 1. Let's see if this matches my math story, okay? I saw 4 butterflies flying. 3 butterflies went to land in the flowers, and only 1 butterfly was left flying. All right, so we're gonna keep practicing with adding and subtracting. Okay, we're gonna be looking at number sentences. We're gonna be building adding and subtracting stories with things that we can count with objects, and then later this week we're gonna talk about drawing pictures to help us add and subtract. Okay? All right, great job, friends.